If you are an immigrant in Canada and you feel that you don't belong here, you want to go back to your original country, but for some reason you feel stuck here, maybe your partner, your children don't want to go back with you. So this video is for you. Here today, I'm going to share what happened in one of the recent family constellation sessions I did about this topic. I'm sharing what is unconsciously behind the real stories coming from family constellation sessions. So in this case, the issue holder wants to go back to your original country. Her mother never wanted her to leave the country. And then she did. She got married, she had children here in Canada, but the feeling and not having receiving the approval from her mother always stayed with her and makes her always to come back to her country, to her original family. But the actual family is where she's divided by original family, her mother desires, or actual family, her partner and children desires. So just quickly explaining the difference between original family and actual family. Original family is composed by our grandparents, our parents, and our siblings. And actual family is the family that we composed in the adulthood when we got married with our partner and our children. In short, a health growth is when in the childhood we belong to the original family, like our parents and grandparents and our siblings. In the teenager phase is the transition from the childhood to the adulthood. So when we become adults and we form like our own family, we get married and we have our own children, these become our actual family, our main family. In many cases, in family constellation sessions, we see adults still stuck in many things that happen in the childhood with our original family, looking for something that they did not receive from their parents, and still like stuck in a situation that happened before. So in her session, we included her in the session to see what was going on with her decision of going back to the original country or staying in Canada. And in this situation, we saw that she was not either looking for any of the countries. She didn't look at the original country or Canada. It was not the problem. She was looking for something else. So we included her mother in the session. She was still looking for her mother, and something that happened between them, that this connection between both was broken for some reason. So when the situation started, she told us her grandmother was the first one who immigrated to Canada. And when her grandmother came to Canada, she had to leave her daughter in her country, in their country. For some reason, she couldn't bring her. So in this case, there was something breaking the connection between grandmother and mother. So this mother was feeling left behind for, from her mother. So this connection here was already broken. And the same situation was happening here when she immigrated to Canada following her grandmother's steps. So the solution here was to make that connection happening again between child and mother. So this is something that all children need to do and move towards the mother. So in this case, the solution was taking her mother in her heart and accepting that whatever her mother was able to give her was enough for her. That way, she could grow as an adult, and now as an adult with a person who is already married and who already has children, she can take care of this child, inner child, that was still looking for a mother, even her mother's approval. In this way, she can go back to her life, and it doesn't matter what country she's going to live and what country she chooses to live. When she has her mother in her heart and her mother with her grandmother as well, she can choose anywhere to live. But this connection between the generations is what is the most important to solve this feeling. Of course, many immigration process and situations are different. We saw immigration, like family constellation sessions regarding immigrations and feeling not belonging to a specific place because of exclusions or because a lack of honor to the original country or something like that. In this case, the problem was not the place. The lack of connection in the childhood between the generations makes her not feeling belonging anywhere. With her mother in her heart, no matter where she goes, her mother goes with her. And then she's free to choose whatever she wants to live. And growing up as an adult, she can have her partner and her children anywhere with her as well. So tell me here in the comments, if you are an immigrant, do you have the same feeling as she? Do you feel that you don't belong here in Canada? Do you want to go back to your original country? Do you want to know what is unconsciously happening behind these dynamics? Yeah, I'll be more than happy to hear your story as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.